So I am on my way right now to Best Buy, and I'm right across the street. I'll show you. Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna be unboxing my new camera. I got the Sony ZV-1 and I picked them up yesterday. I ordered it for curbside, so I paid $8.99 plus tax. I think it's on sale. I think it's $100 off right now. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how it looks like. I have been wanting a new camera for quite a while now, and I've been debating if I want to get a G7X or an M50, but then I found this one online. So sorry, I didn't even show you. Oh my god, I'm not good at this. So when you open the box, you get the manual and all that stuff, so you get a bunch of that, and then when you open it, you'll see the camera. So I got the white one. Oh my god, ow. Ooh, paper cut. Anyway, if you guys didn't know, I use an iPhone 7 Plus right now to record this video, and you'll see how this one will do, because I'm gonna be like recording with this one today. It is Mother's Day today, so I'll get to try it out. Hopefully there's some charge in the battery so I can use it, or I guess I can charge it for a bit. So this is what it looks like. It's actually so pretty. There you go. And then you get the screen right here. The other things that you get is you get this, I forgot what you call this. Is it a dead cat or something like that? But it's the thing that you put at the top, like here, to minimize the wind sound. And then you'll get a cable to charge it, I guess. And then you get the battery right here. You get one battery, and yeah, I think that's it. There's nothing else in the box. So now we'll try it out. I'm so excited. So right now I'm just gonna be putting this one in. I think you put it here. No, the other way. And let's put the battery. Hopefully there's a charge. Sorry, I'm not a tech reviewer, that's why I don't know the terms for these stuff. But yeah, I'll try to show you guys as much as I can and explain as much as I can of what I know. Okay, so when I open it, that's what it shows you. Just want you to choose the language. So English, and then the time. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, okay, wait. So let's, oh shit, I need to charge it. Ah, I'm so happy. It's so nice. What the heck? Wait, let me start recording now. Let's see what we'll get. Hello. Oh my god, it's so nice. Hold on, let me see. Let me try out the defocus thingy. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. And it's not so bad, but I guess I really have to extend my arm. It's a bit close up, but it's so nice. I'm so happy. The quality though. Okay, so I guess the colors isn't that bad, because that's what I'm debating about. Okay, let me turn this off for now. That's what I'm debating about, because I wanted to get the G7X because I know, like, I've seen like vlogs where they use the G7X and it's really nice. But then I saw this one and I saw the reviews. It's actually so nice. Like, you get a lot of features. I'm not gonna get into it because I don't know the terms, to be honest. And I don't know how to explain it, but I'm so happy. Oh, I didn't even try the autofocus. Oh my god, I can't speak. I didn't even try the autofocus. Ah, I didn't even try the autofocus today. But yeah, let me try that right now. Hello. So this is me trying out the autofocus, like how fast it is. Hold on, let me get something really small. Oh, let me use the defocus thingy too. Is it on? Oh, there. Yeah. Oh wait, there's like... Oh my... Oh my god, it's so fast! Even if my like face is on there, bro. It's having a hard time though because it's trying to focus on my eye. Oh my god, I'm not even recording, but okay. Hi, this is... Oh, I am recording. I'm so dumb. Wait. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, because the red light is on. I have a lot to learn. I still have a lot to learn. Anyway, let me try to figure out where the product... I forgot what it's called. Damn. Product something is. I'll be right back. It's so nice. Oh, is the beauty mode on? Huh. Let me see. Hi, so this is it when it's on medium. Am I looking like a baby now? So this is the soft skin settings when it's on low. That's how it is. Hi, so this is the audio quality when I'm inside with my windows closed and everything. And this is how it sounds when I open it. Do you hear it? Do you hear a difference? Probably do. There. And then I'm just gonna quickly put the dead cat and then we'll see if it makes a big difference, okay? Hi, I'm back. So this is how it sounds with the dead cat on. Do you hear the difference? Does it sound better? Does it sound better? Yeah, does it sound better? But yeah, hopefully it makes a difference and it's not too noisy outside. And then I want to try out too, like, ooh, okay. Oh, that's so nice. It automatically adjusts the light. Ooh, there you go. It's pretty nice. We'll see the shakiness of it when I'm walking. Like, this is me just holding the camera straight up. It's so bad because I keep looking on this screen. I should be looking on, but I need to get used to this. Is it shaky? I just checked the settings and it was on active mode. So I think that's why my screen was like super cropped in. That's what I was wondering about. But yeah, this is it with standard. So we'll see if it's like super shaky. This is just me regularly walking. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I like this one better. Just because it's not super cropped in on my face. I think I'm gonna be using this for now on. Hi, okay, I'm back. So I just charged the camera and right now it doesn't have a full battery, but it's almost full, so I guess that should be fine. We'll see how long it's gonna let me record. So yeah, I just have some of the stuff here listed that I want to talk to you about. So here are the things that I'm initially looking for in a camera, so you guys know why I chose this one. So first off, I'm looking for something small and handy. So I'm looking for something that I can easily put in my pocket, like just like my phone. This one is really small since the lens collapses when you turn it off. It's really compact and handy, so I like that about it. And the next thing is it does have this setting. It's called the defocus setting, where when you click the button, it easily blurs out your background. It's nice to have that without needing to change out the lenses. I feel like I don't have the time to change lenses, and I just want to easily like have a camera where I just open it and like start shooting. You know what I mean? Like I don't have to worry about like the technicalities and everything, so that's nice. I actually have it on right now. As you guys can see, it's not super blurred, but you know what I mean, like it's kind of blurred. Like I'll show you how it is without the defocus setting there. So that's how it looks like without it, and then this is how it looks like with it. Did you see the difference? Yeah, it's not a lot of difference, but it's nice to have it, you know. So the next thing is I'm looking for something with good colors, with a good color science. So whenever I think of good colors, I think of Canon in an instant, just because they're like known for that. Like they're known for having good skin tones and everything. So yeah, that's like my only worry about this camera, because I've never had a Canon a Sony camera. Looking at this one, the colors look good and it looks true to life, you know. So the next thing that I'm really happy about is the product showcase feature. So that just means that whenever, like, oh my god, can't even speak. So that just means that, you know, when you're like a beauty vlogger, like you keep like when you show stuff, you know, for the other cameras, you have to cover your face because the camera automatically focuses on your face. So for this camera, it easily detects the item that you're showing, so you don't have to cover your face. Like right now I'm covering it because the setting is not on right now, but like you see how fast that autofocus is. See how fast that is? Yeah, I'm really happy about that. Like, I feel like that's such a good thing to have for your camera. Okay, the next one would be the audio quality. I've seen the reviews for this camera, and like comparing to other ones, this one has really good audio quality. Like I've never, I mean, for can't even speak. I don't really know if that's true because I still haven't watched this clip, so I guess I'm gonna see when I'm editing if it's really good and it's loud and crisp, I guess. I mean, I'm not expecting like really good quality since I don't have an external mic, but they said that it's really good. And I love how it comes with with this thing. I still don't know what it's called. I think it's a dead cat, I think. Hopefully I'm right. Yeah, but I love how it comes with that because it really helps with the wind, like reducing the wind sound for your videos, especially when you're shooting outside. That's really good. The next thing that's nice to have is I'm able to send files from the camera to my phone. Yeah, I'm really looking for that. Okay, so the extras, I'm not gonna get too technical with this because I honestly don't know most of the terms that they're using. Some of the things that's also nice to have is it does have the ND filter, which is basically, from the reviews that I watched, they said that it's pretty much just like shades for the camera or the lens, I don't know, just so your videos won't be too overexposed. So that's nice to have because when you're shooting videos, you just want to be able to like record, and you just want to be sure that your videos are gonna be okay, right? You know what I mean? I don't know if I'm making sense, but hopefully that makes sense. And it also shoots 4K videos. That's nice to have. It's nice to know that someday if I want to do 4K videos, I can do it with this camera at least. So yeah, that's pretty much all of the things that I want to talk about, and I'm for sure gonna insert clips for later. We'll see how it goes. Like, we'll see how it will shoot. Okay, so I guess that's it for the review. I'm just gonna wait for my brother and Joe to get here, and then, oh my god, I need to stop looking at the screen, bro. Okay. Okay, so oh my god, this is gonna be hard. Okay, so I'll just wait for them to get here and then we'll eat. I'll show you what we're having. All right, bye. Hello. Kuya's here, I think. They're here. Ooh, against the light. I still didn't fix the settings, so excuse if it's kind of dark. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Hello.
Oh, I have a flower.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you for the cake, ice cream cake, my
From
favorite.
Joe.
From Joe,
Fancy.
Baskin and Robbins. And thanks for the flowers, baby.
You're
As
welcome.
cute as you.
What's that there?
Joe's chilling. Chilling.
Chilling, my
Chilling like a villain.
Hi, honey. Here in the camera.
Why so quiet, Joe?